Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this fantastic Traveller in the Allure specification. So this car comes with a lovely panoramic glass roof. There's also electric sliding side doors, 17-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows. You get front and rear parking sensors with a 180-degree colour reversing camera. Now inside the car, the interior is leather. The front seats are heated and have massage function. The touchscreen comes with sat-nav, DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. On top of this you get dual zone air conditioning, there's automatic headlights, wipers, cruise control and speed limit recognition. So let's have a look around. This car's got the 2-litre Blue HDI engine that gives you 180 horsepower. It's got an 8-speed automatic gearbox. The car's done under 8,000 miles. If it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.